Imagine cruising down the road in a car that perfectly blends the charm of a classic icon with the power and technology of the future. Introducing the 2025 Morris Minor, where retro meets innovation in the most stunning way possible. Let's start with the front of the 2025 Morris Minor. It carries that unmistakable charm from its vintage-styled predecessor. But check out the futuristic twist. It now features stunning LED headlights. While they keep the round, retro feel as a nod to its roots, the aggressive and sporty grille gives it a bold, modern presence. And the lines on the bonnet, they naturally draw your eyes to the centerpiece, the iconic Morris Minor badge, which now shines with modern precision. It's like the perfect blend of past and future, all in one glance. Now, moving to the side, you'll notice the silhouette of the car stays true to its heritage. The rounded fenders and flowing curves remind us of the original Morris Minor, but there's a 21st century edge to it. Those 17-inch wheels add an athletic and modern look, while the chrome detailing along the windows and side mirrors brings a classic elegance to the design. Trust me, this car will turn heads on any road. It's pure nostalgia with a hint of modern luxury. And then we get to the rear. Here, you're greeted by beautifully crafted taillights that mirror the elegance of the front. The chrome bumper and twin exhaust pipes give the car a timeless, classy vibe, while the sleek badge proudly reads Morris Minor, reminding us that we're witnessing the future of a legend. The polished blue finish reflects every beam of light, showcasing just how much attention has been given to the details. But it's not just about looks. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Morris Minor comes equipped with a powerful and efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 150 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this car is perfect for both city streets and highways. It's not just about style, it's got the power and fuel efficiency to make everyday driving a pleasure. Now, step inside and you'll be transported back in time, but with all the modern conveniences of today. The interior of the 2025 Morris Minor is a luxurious blend of vintage charm and cutting-edge technology. The premium leather seats are stitched in a way that pays homage to the classic Morris cars of the past. But that's not all. Right in the center is a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, offering everything from navigation to wireless smartphone connectivity. And don't miss the digital driver's display, putting all the essential info right at your fingertips, while still preserving that timeless Morris feel. The 2025 Morris Minor truly captures the spirit of a beloved classic while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and design. It's not just a car. It's a piece of history reimagined for today's world. Let me know in the comments what you think about this fusion of old and new. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.